Initially, I had couple of things in mind to do, but as I came here, I spoke about it to doctor, and as I said that having a medical partner is of immense help of me. Like the things which I thought will be helpful, actually, I found that they were not as helpful as I thought it to be. So they validated my previous ideas, and I learned to know that no, this is not going to work. Let's find something good. And they are amazing. They are filling up with us with so many ideas to work upon.
School of International Biodesign, synergizing healthcare innovation and entrepreneurship. SIPSHINE is an exciting year-long full-time dedicated residential fellowship program jointly led by the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and King George's Medical University, Lucknow. It is sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. It serves to launch Made in India biomedical innovations through its 4C academic program encompassing clinical immersion, conception, creation, and corroboration. Biopatrika is proud to partner with IIT Kanpur and KGMU in welcoming the inaugural batch of this year's fellows. Kushagra Asthana is an electrical engineer who has taken it upon himself to solve global health problems one at a time, beginning with his motherland. Congratulations and welcome to the SIPSHINE program.
Thank you for having me.
This is a unique opportunity to really be at the precipice of medtech innovation. What specifically attracted you to the fellowship?
So I'm an electronics engineer from my background. The biggest attraction for this fellowship is the amalgamation of medical sciences and engineering. So I'm from engineering background, but there's a gap. Like I'm from medtech domain only. So in medtech domain, there's a the gap which the medical partner, which is KGMU, fulfills very well. Like we are not able to do it by on our own. So this is what attracted me. Like I get to work with the topmost doctors in the country along with the best engineers. So that is what attracted me to this program.
What is the caveat in the Indian medical technology innovation that you would like to focus on?
My specific field of interest, if you ask, then I would say it's diagnostic devices. So I believe there are a lot of diseases, lot of disorders which has to be diagnosed early. And the problem which we see in KGMU, like we are under immersion right now, is late diagnosis of diseases. So many lives could be saved if any disease is diagnosed early. So I'm focusing on right now on diagnostic devices, and I feel like my engineering background can help in that.
What is a particular special skill that you bring to the table to answer this problem?
Okay, so there are a couple of them. First of all, if I talk about my core skills, it is electronics engineering. Like most of the medical devices have some electronics involved in it. So I'm bringing that expertise to the table. Apart from that, if I talk about my soft skills, then I'm bringing good amount of teamwork. Like I am willing to lead in future. I'm willing to have my own startup and lead a team of at least a good number of people. So teamwork is something which I think I can handle pretty well.
What collaborations do you foresee for your initiative? And do you think you would build a partnership with any of the other 8 fellows?
So I am very much interested to collaborate with my fellows, like my fellows here, because I don't bring all the expertise required in a project, required in a startup. And being a single founder, I think it is very hard for me because I feel that I'm focused on something. So some other guy should focus on something so that we can work together and collaborate as a team. So apart from building collaborations to the fellows, I'm looking forward to building collaborations with the industry once we have some product in hand. I'm looking also to collaborate with other institutions who can validate my idea and validate my product in future.
And did you come into the program prepared with an innovative idea, or will you use this clinical immersion training to formulate one?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So initially I had couple of things in mind to do, but as I came here, I spoke about it to doctor, and as I said that having a medical partner is of immense help of me. Like the things which I thought will be helpful, actually I found that they were not as helpful as I thought it to be. So they validated my previous ideas, and I learned to know that no, this is not going to work. Let's find something good. And they are amazing. They are filling up with us with so many ideas to work upon.
So why did you choose this immersive program instead of working on your innovation and ideas part-time?
So I'll, as I answered, like, I could have done that. Like, I wanted to be an entrepreneur. This is what I've always wanted to be. So I could have gone on my own. But this clinical immersion program has helped me to validate my ideas. So before that, I didn't have access to clinicians like that. World's one of the India's best clinicians. I didn't have access to them. Right now, this program has given me access to them, so I can focus more on validating and need finding and need screening, which are of the basic problems of the Indian healthcare industry. So if I had gone to my own, I don't think I would have gotten such an exposure which I'm getting it here. So I think clinical immersion program is very helpful for me.
1 year down the line, at the end of this fellowship, where do you see yourself in the space of medical technology?
1 year down the line, I'll speak very frankly. 1 year down the line, I'll be standing on a podium launching my product in front of all the medical industry stakeholders in India. That is what I want to take it from here.
Very exciting, very good, very enthusiastic. We're looking forward to your brilliant innovation and ideas. And thank you for speaking with us today.
Thank you for having me.